Welcome to the TPP Learning Academy. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to add new stock lines and manage existing stock within SystmOne, along with how to navigate the screen. To start, we're going to be looking at how to add new stock onto the system. To do this, navigate to the Dispensing menu and select Current Stock. Select the New Item button. Doing this will open up the Drug and Appliance browser screen, where you're able to search for the item you want to add to stock. Type in the name of the item and press Search. From here you can pick from the list of items and press OK. Once selected, you can enter the remaining information into the Dispensary Stock Items screen. From here you can select the pack size, check the price, and add in the item's barcodes. The existing stock levels can be added in via whole packs or part packs. If required, you also have the option to add in batch numbers and expiry dates against stock. You can specify the wholesaler that you order the items from and also select if the item is a regularly ordered stock item. If this is the case, you're then able to set your minimum and maximum reorder levels for that particular item. The relevant PIP code from the item will appear in the PIP code field but can also be manually entered if necessary. Press OK to confirm. This has now added that new item onto your current stock screen. To navigate around the stock screen, you can use the search functionality. This will let you search for a particular item and filter the screen below. Alternatively, you can use the A to Z buttons. Also, you're able to break the screen down by filtering by the level, filter by wholesaler, or by a specific site. The screen is made up of 4 separate tabs. The first tab is showing all stock, but can be broken down to regularly ordered or irregularly ordered items. You also have the option available to create a random stock list to be able to check stock lines are correct against the shelf. Along with all of these options, items can be ordered from this screen, easily amended, and deleted if necessary. Stock items can also be transferred to other locations or doctor's bags if the organisation is using that functionality within the system. The history of each item can also be viewed within the screen, where you can see a summary or events list of any changes that have happened to the line. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and for more hints and tips. Please follow us on Twitter @TPP Training Tips.